Okay, what's up guys? Today we're going to be talking about my Mazda, which I have installed coilovers on. I installed the V-MAXX coilovers on Saturday. I didn't make a video on the installation because, well, it's a bit complicated to install. But this is what it looks like now. That's the wheel gap. Two fingers in the back, in the front, and in the back there is as slammed as possible. And this is on coilovers. This is on V-MAXX coilovers. Now I have drop links on order from Japan, which are AutoX drop links. Same company as the front bumper, which is also AutoX. So I just wanted to make a little video today because I'm not sure. Should I go lower in the front? Should I raise the back up? Really not sure. So let me know in the comments. I am scraping a bit, but that's okay. All for the looks, really. And what I'll do is I'll post a picture of what it looked like before. But yeah, that's it. I just wanted to make a little video of what it looks like now, what the next mod's going to be. So that's going to be drop links. They are being shipped from Japan, so I'm not sure when they'll come. But yeah, that's what overall it looks like. There's a bit of camber in the back as well, very slightly. And yeah, that's about it, guys. Let me know in the comments what you guys think I should do. Should I lower a little bit more? Should I get a bit higher? Anyway, thanks for watching this. See you guys later.